Hi again. Are you ready to unlock some serious energy savings? How do I do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Here's a simple, easy, and free way to do just that, and it's to clean your soffit vents. Most homeowners don't know that your soffit vents should be cleaned at least once every year. Soffits are those vents that you'll find just under the eaves of your home. Their function is to provide critically valuable attic ventilation. A well-ventilated attic offers you 4 significant benefits. Number 1, it prevents mildew growth and rot from your roof's framing and sheathing by reducing moisture buildup. Number 2, it helps prevent ice dams in the winter by keeping your roof cooler, preventing snowmelt. Even here in North Texas, it's an issue for us at least once every year. Number 3, it also extends the life of your shingles by keeping the roof cooler in our hot Texas weather by preventing heat blisters. And number 4, it reduces cooling costs by eliminating heat buildup, which transfers directly into the living areas. Cleaning your soffit vents will ensure optimal airflow, increased ventilation, it keeps your home drier from moisture, and it saves you money, all for free. What could be better than that? One of the best ways to clean your soffit vents is to use compressed air. Simply spray blasts of air up into the soffit vents, removing any dust or debris, and it loosens insulation that may be blocking your vents. Remember, the vents lead directly into your attic, so they're blown back up into the attic where they belong. We hope this video has been helpful and that you enjoy reduced cooling costs this summer and enjoy a warmer home this winter. If you need any air conditioning or HVAC service or repairs, call the pros, the Air Repair Pros. They'll have you comfortable really fast. So call the pros, the Air Repair Pros. You'll be really glad that you did, I promise.